I know a bunch of people have inquired on using it, like Rhonda and Lindsay and a few others I know. So I just give them a basics on how to run it. Let me go do my screen share. It's, I believe it is a, yeah, 6-month membership. You can get it in 6 months, and I believe they just upped the price. It used to be $10 for 6 months, so if you already had it when it was under that, you would stay at that grandfather price, but if not, it's now $29.95 for 6 months. Let me see. You would, in here is your settings, your posts, Flickrist, Pinterest. You can choose which, you can have more than one Facebook login. So up here you can choose which accounts you want to set up your campaigns for. And I've got a lot of things that you can, you have your tools, options, which will take you here to where you can have your group finder, group joiner, you can unjoin, you can group share.
I'm not seeing your page.
Yeah, there's a bunch of options there too that you can use. Your dashboard takes you back here where there's, if there's any notifications, news from
your page.
Mass Planner.
Lisa,
Yeah,
we're not
Hello?
seeing your page.
you're not seeing my page. All right, hang on, let me try it again. Why not? Screen share. All right there. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's try it again.
I just didn't want to get too far.
Can you see it now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right, we'll go back to where I'm at here. This is your dashboard. This is where you first come in. If there's any news from Mass Planner, you can see your statistics, change your logs, change log anything that's been changed, your help button. Up here, you can see the multiple accounts that you can add, Facebook and so forth.
Lisa,
Yeah.
is this much similar to 22 Social or?
No, it's what it is, well, I'm not sure. Can you post your ads with 22 Social, Sherry? This will post ads for you in the groups and on pages or whatever you set it up to post at. They even have an option for a newsfeed post on here. I noticed that when I was looking through it today. That's something new they added to it as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah. It also has features for Twitter and Pinterest and Flickr. I'm not sure if each of those modules have to be purchased separately or if it comes as part of the package. I think when I got it, Pinterest was part of the package. But it's really got a lot of options. It's got a lot to figure. You can manipulate your groups. So you make a list. So if you know you have groups you don't want to post to, like our Z&Z Solutions, our Inner Circle, or anything that you know you can't post to, you can eliminate those groups so the posts are not going to it, which is something we probably suggested Patrick. But it's just got a lot of great features. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a campaign. You go right here onto the left. You know what? Let me log out first because I need to show you how to log in if you've never used it. All right, let me log out. Up the top, it'll tell you if your publishing's active, if you're in it, or if you're not in it. You go back and bring it up. Just wait for it to open. There it goes. My computer's a little slow, so.
Lisa, do you have a link for this? The purchase?
I do, ma'am.
We'll post it in the group.
Okay, I will. Let me see. Okay. Oh, see my screen? Go. No. Okay. Go here. What is going on with my computer? Screen share. There we go. Right there. Okay. You able to see now? At the top here, it'll say synchronizing your Facebook pages. It automatically logged me into mine. If not, in the middle of the screen here will come up an area for you to go ahead and say connect to your Facebook, and it'll bring it up in the middle, and you can log in. Okay. I hit the red Create Campaign button. I always use the Create a Volume campaign, so that way you can post to multiple groups. As you can see, they have a feed campaign. I haven't done that one yet. And then you can schedule campaigns as well. That's also another new feature. Right up here, we're going to go Create a Volume campaign. Wait for it to open. Okay. Can you still see my screen? Okay, yeah, you can. Are you there, guys?
Yeah, we're seeing it, Lisa.
So in here is where we're going to go to set your settings. You can, in here where it says publishing when to post, it'll say you can have more than one unique post per day. And it'll post on different each post will post on each group that you set it for, okay? I'm choosing for today just one. You can have more. I always choose to post it on my account wall as well. And you can have the choice if you want to enable signatures or, let me see, what else? I mean, other options if you click down here. You can re-add published posts at the end of your list. You can add special group IDs, watermarks. I don't mess with any of that. What you do first here is that I need to go create a list of groups that I want to post to. So you hit Create List. And then, let me see. Here's my list of all my groups that I'm in. Now I can go down and start choosing which ones I want. You can hit the control button and then click on each one that you want to add. Let's see. Well, hang on a minute. And you can save your destination lists after too. I don't know what this is doing. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to add the 3 for now. Pages. Okay. Selection. We haven't done this in a while, so just give me a minute. So my list should be created. Those are the 3 that I wanted. You just highlight the 3 that you want, and then it should be. And then you should be good there. Now you go back to your campaign and you choose your post. Now here's where you write in your post. I've got mine already typed up, so I'm just going to go in here and paste it in. You can choose an image. Got one on my desktop. That one. and then you go here and you'll go add posts. So you can, if you want, create multiple text posts, which it'll alternate them out if you want. Or you can add multiple images where you can have the one text post, but it'll change the image on each post. Okay. You can make it a clickable image by filling in where you want it to redirect to and what you want that to say, and then add that post. When you go over here to your post list, add in there. Okay. You can have 5 ads in there and click for it to randomize your post. It'll change at each trip. That's up to you on how you want to do that. Okay, and then we go to back to your settings tab, and then you can go to start publishing.
Lisa,
Now,
question.
yes.
Can you post it at certain times?
You can, because you can choose when you're choosing your campaign. If you go back here, we can start another campaign. See down below here, it says create a scheduled campaign.
Gotcha.
You can go there and you can schedule your list, and you can choose your destination list. So you can rename these lists. You can, you can have multiple lists in here. There's a lot to do with it. It just takes a little bit of time to go through and learn everything. And like I said, I haven't used mine in a while because I've been manually posting off and on. Trying to change.
Is there an amount that you can post? Is there like 100 or a day, or what is this?
There was an option, and that's what I was just looking for. Like I said, I hadn't been in it in a while. There was an option where you could choose, like when you go to your settings here. Let me see. That's a schedule one. Let me go back to this one here. I'm not seeing it right now. There was a list where you could choose to how many to post and how long of a length of time. Let me see. And I'm not seeing that right now, so I'm not sure if that's one of the things they changed. And there is a Facebook group when you get the Mask Planner that you can join, and you can answer any of your questions. And they do have a lot of training videos. Let's see.
You probably already said this, but whenever you go on to the Mask Planner, basically, like I see up at the top where it says like Flickr post and Pinterest post, you are syncing, I guess, like your Facebook account with this, where you will pick what groups or pages or whatever to post in. Is that what you're doing? Or
Yes.
are you uploading lists?
Nope, I can pick, but you can upload a list too. They have that option.
Okay.
If you already have your list, you can import your list. Yeah. And you can export your list as well. I know, like, up top it says Pinterest post, Flickr post. There is another module that I do have that's on my desktop that's strictly for Pinterest, and there's one for Twitter as well. I have not ventured to those. I am not Twitter literate, to be honest with you. So I do want to start working on that. But it's got a lot of great options that you can use. So many so that it would probably take a good day or two to go through everything and figure out exactly every option. For some reason,
How long have you been posting this?
I've been using it for off and on now since I think April. And like
Have you
I said,
been getting flagged with it?
I have not, because I had set my settings back before. You could set your settings, and I would only post to like 5 or 10 groups every hour to hour and a half. And I'm not seeing where that setting is right now, so I'm not sure if that's something they took out and just they try to keep it updated so it's not causing you an issue with Facebook. And no, I haven't been getting flagged with it since I was using it. It worked a lot better.
Okay.
But like I said, it's all of a sudden I'm not seeing that setting, and I'm not sure if I'm just missing it somewhere. But I will go back through and look at that and come back and let you guys know. But it's just as simple as what I showed you for doing the post. And now, right now, it's you can go to the history button. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Notifications. It'll tell you over here, like, trigger a notification when there are less than 5 posts in a campaign's list. It'll tell you you can disable the campaign when there are more than 15 posts with error consecutive. You can change whatever you want. History, you can go and, let me see, click to expand. Waiting for it to open. It'll tell you which groups it's been posted, or which groups it won't let you post in. So that way you can, I'm waiting for it to open so you can see, so you know which groups you are able to and not able to, so you can remove them from your list. Let me see. Oh, where did it go? Okay. So this is like, right now there's nothing showing them there. Just go back to settings. Here's where you chose your list to post to, which is this one here. Here's results. Let's see. There's where it would go if you add it for the Pinterest or for Flickr. They'd have them in there. History tab. Okay, so we're still waiting for the. Like if you. Right now it says the status message will update. 0 destinations have been finalized so far. I'm not sure where the settings are. It's been, like I said, it's been a while since I've been on, but that just gives you kind of an overall view of what it does. Do you have any other questions? Do you understand where I was going with it?
Good job, Lisa. Looks good.
Okay, well, it's like I said, it's been a while since I've been in, but at least gives you a quick overview of what it can do. And like I said, if you go join the Mass Planner group, they'll help you with walking you through whatever you need to know in there, and they have a lot of videos that you can go watch that'll show you exactly how to set up everything from step to step. But it's one of the, I think it's better than the other two that we tried using. I find it doesn't get flagged, and I'm hoping to get to use the Twitter one and figure out how to use that and share that later. Mike or Heather, do you guys have any questions?
Do you earn money from this too, Lisa?
Yes, you can. There is an affiliate program. Yep, you can sign right up for it when you get it, and you earn 50% commission for each person you refer.
You said how much?
50%.
Oh, wow. So if you're paying $29, you get half of that?
Yep, every 6 months. Yep, and they do have a year membership as well. Yep.
Wow.
And anytime they add a module or anything, you get 50% of that too. So it's a good thing to pass along to your downline. It works for extra bucks as well.
Yeah, I think I'm going to offer it. I can add a plug-in for it, for an affiliate program plug-in to like our team or whatever. So, like if you have somebody that comes in and they want to purchase it, then it should go to you and you get the payout on it.
And this is awesome for days where you're busy with your family and can't really do any posting, that this can do it for you, and you have that time freedom just to live life.
Yeah, you do. And you can set up, if you don't want the same ad posted in each group, go in there and set up a list of 5 or 10 ads and have it randomized. So it's not the posting and posting and posting, it randomizes.
If I'm posting, say I do have some downtime, but I do want to set up the planner to post for me, and then I get on and post, would that interfere, or would that be overload or too much?
No, I don't think it would overload. I would just be careful as well. You know, you can always pause it for the time that you want to manual post, and then restart it up again. I mean, Facebook's funny. They have their little glitches. I mean, I know someone that all they were doing was messaging somebody in a private message, and they got blocked. So it all depends on what Facebook's been doing. But I haven't had pretty good luck with it. I haven't been blocked with it since I've used it. But it just definitely has a lot of good features. And I mean, add in the clickable image, that means you can not need to have pick redirect. That's one less thing. I mean, it's got a lot of options where you could eliminate some other programs and save yourself the cost and do it all in one area. But, yeah. Hello. We just had another person join. Hi. But yeah, that's basically. Do you guys have any other questions on it, or?
I don't have any questions. Thanks, Lisa. That was really good.
You're welcome, Nikki. Rhonda or Mike?
It says that mine is active. It says
Okay.
publishing is active, but when I go to look at history, it shows nothing. And I did it like yesterday.
Okay. Can you share your screen? We can look at it.
Sure.
Let me see. Okay. Wanda. Okay. This campaign has started.
When I go over here to history, so I just didn't know if it really was publishing or if it's something I'd done something wrong or.
Okay, go back to your settings tab for a minute. I know Tamika's sister's really good with using this as well, so I'll ask her some questions too. If you look here in the center section, it'll say this campaign will post on one page in 9 groups. Today at 5:14 is your next post. You've got it posting 6 unique posts per day. Let me see. Zero text. You chose your destinations too. Hello, Sharon.
Hi.
That's funny that it's not showing you anything in your history. Do you know which groups you chose to publish in, Rhonda?
I don't remember exactly which ones, but they're listed here.
Okay. If you go and look in like the highlighted one, like the 219 yard sale, do you see a post in that group?
I haven't looked. That's why I didn't do that, because I didn't know
Okay.
until I got internet back up today.
Yeah. I'm not sure why it's not showing in history. Mine wasn't showing in the history either. Like if you click on, like mine says the post is still in the process of being published. The message will update. So right now it's non-finalized, but I only chose, I think, 3 on my list anyways. But.
Okay, I'll look around and see if I can find an ad, but I didn't see anything, so I just thought I would ask.
Yeah. But anybody else have any other questions? No? If not, then I'm going to go ahead and just stop this for now, and if we have any more, we can go back over it. I'll go look and see what I can find out today, Rhonda, on why it's not showing in the history.
Okay.
You just downloaded yours last night, right?
Yeah, I did it
What's up?
yesterday. Like I said, the internet here was down and up, and
Yeah.
so I don't know.
Yeah, because right now mine's showing 0 posts pending. And it says my campaign has started. It shows me my next post will be today at 2:01. Up underneath where it says current status. It says 0 out of 1 destinations finalized. Next post will be August 27th at 2:01.46. So my next one should post here shortly. So, and then I will see if I can find out about the settings again, where those went to, because all of a sudden they're not there and they used to be, where you could set on how often you wanted it to post. Maybe that's just under the scheduled ones.
Are you going to post the link in the group?
Yes, ma'am, I can. Yep. Yep, let me go do that right now. Let me go get it. Let me see. Hold on. I'm going to go ahead and stop the broadcast. They're not live anymore. Corey, let me get that link and post it up there right now. Remembering. Yeah. Slow when I put on a hangout. It's time to. Let me just hang out.
Yeah, it's showing I haven't posted anything in that 219 yard.